Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
A deduction coupon is a prepaid fee reduction that you apply to trades to lower trading fees or funding charges. On Kucoin, you locate coupons under Assets Coupons, where each coupon shows its expiry date like 2025-12-31 and remaining uses. Coupons typically apply to trading fees and sometimes funding fees. They are not the same as discounts for deposit or withdrawal costs. Note that most coupons are single-use per order, so you should track the one coupon allowance and expiry to avoid losing value. To apply a deduction coupon, open the desired trading pair and prepare your buy or sell order. Click the small coupon icon in the order panel and pick one eligible coupon from your list. The interface will show the adjusted fee. You can enable auto-apply in trading settings, so Kucoin will prioritize and attach eligible coupons automatically. After you confirm the order, the platform recalculates the fee, shows the post-deduction total, then executes the trade with the coupon applied. Understand limitations. Most deduction coupons are single-use per order, have fixed remaining uses, and usually show expiry like 30 days from issuance. Use coupons strategically on larger trades or higher fee pairs to maximize savings, and enable auto-apply if you want Kucoin to attach eligible coupons automatically before expiry. Also check coupon priority and remaining uses so the system applies the most valuable coupon first. Monitor your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.